guys, welcome to North Wales Bushcrafters. I'm Trev here again. Going to do an introductory review on the Zebra Billy Cam. The one I have here is the 14 centimeter one, and as you can see it's nice and shiny. I haven't yet used it, hence it's the start. What I noticed is a really knacky way of locking the lid in place. I think that's quite a really good feature on this. When you take it down, they automatically come loose. Lid opens, then you've got a secondary pan inside. Very, very sturdy and robust. Slightly weighty. I looked up and they reckon it's 730 grams. And empty as that is, that's still quite weighty. So I don't think I'd use this as an everyday carry, personally. I think maybe on a small expedition, canoe trip, something like that. I would certainly refer to my lighter weight stuff for just a day hike sort of thing. But I have been told that these little claps, when it's on good open fire, these have a tendency to melt. There are additionals or homemade adaptions to these with metal connectors. So I'll be looking into that, and probably when I do my follow-up review on this, that's what I'll have fitted. So really not a lot to say about it. It looks well made, very, very sturdy. With that lid on, you could have anything in there and you'd be sound. In your rucksack, I think it would withstand anything, you know what I mean? So first impressions, very good, worth the money. You can purchase this for around $15.99 on certain people's websites. Have a look yourself, you may find it cheaper, but I think it's worth that. So stay tuned to our videos and click the notification, and you'll get my follow-up in a few weeks' time on this cracking little Zebra 14 centimeter Billy Cam. Thanks for watching.